Hi, welcome to Self-Care Sundays. My name is Julie. I'm from the Lake Hazel Branch Library, and today we're going to be making a gentle facial scrub. We're going to start, the base of it is a sugar scrub, and it's 1 part oil to 2 parts sugar. And I don't want to make a ton, so I'm going to use a half cup of sugar, and then just a 1/4 cup and a little less. This recipe is very up for interpretation. I like a little bit of less oil. So usually it would be a half cup of sugar to a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using a little less oil. Now this is the point when you're stirring in where you can add any kind of essential oil that you like. I like lavender. I don't have any on me right now. Also, if you like a more gentle scrub, you can use brown sugar. This isn't going on our face, so you might want to use brown sugar, but granulated is good. I've used that too. My favorite oil to use is almond oil. It's got a nice sweet scent. And it's available at most stores. I haven't been to the store recently, so I'm using what I have on hand, which is olive oil. Today I'm choosing to make a strawberry face scrub. So I'm going to just chop the strawberry into tiny, tiny pieces. Different fruits will give you different benefits. Some are clarifying and some are moisturizing. You can look online to see which fruit you would like to use. I like strawberries because they smell really good. So I'm going to just toss these in here. I'm going to stir it around a little bit so that it gets, the strawberries get kind of smushy because you don't want strawberry chunks on your face. Now, anytime you're making a natural recipe like this, you want to make sure that you're not using anything that you're allergic to. So if you're allergic to, let's say, strawberries, if it gives you an allergic reaction when you eat it, putting it on your skin is not a great idea. So avoid, if you're allergic to almonds, don't use almond oil. Just be wise when you're choosing your ingredients. So now I've got this nice paste, and another good thing to do when you're trying out any beauty product for the first time is you want to test it out on a patch of skin and make sure that you don't react to it, especially since this is going on our face. I like to test it out just on the back of my hand and just rub it in a little bit. And you can wait a little and make sure, if you're like me, it feels good, so we're going for it. Now you just want to it's a paste. So I don't know if you can see this, but it's a nice thick paste. And you want to rub it on your face, but definitely avoid the area around your eyes. That skin is very, very delicate, and don't rub it on your lips either. Now, after you are done, just kind of rubbing it in and caressing it and making sure you're not being too rough, but you're getting a nice exfoliating. If you like, you can just rinse it off and leave all that nice moisturizing oil on. If it feels a little too greasy, you can wash your face and just wash it off. Now, in the winter, this recipe is so malleable that sometimes in the winter, when my hands are very dry, I will just put a little bit of sugar in my palm, drip a little bit of oil, and then exfoliate my hands. It's that easy. So I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it, and try different kinds of fruit and see what all that does for you. Thanks.